maybe I shouldn't say like this, obviously, but uh, I have seen some videos or some blogs or something. They were saying uh, Tesla gonna explode next week. Tesla is going to the moon. Blah blah blah. It's going to 300 now. So what really happened with Tesla? Tell me. So I think last trading day of 2023, right? 30th, 31st, first is closed. Okay, yeah, I'm correct. Last trading day of the year 2023, and Tesla has crashed yesterday. I was just waiting for it. I don't know you remember or not. I actually shorted at around uh, 253 level first. I took some short position, and when the market went up to 261 around on I think last Thursday, sorry, Wednesday, uh, then I also bought some another 5 or 10 short position. So in total, my short position was around 258. So yesterday, when it came down to 253, I bought it back. Uh, I was really expecting that there would be a pullback. So anyway, today the first candle was red. Obviously, it was quite normal, and I was actually expecting it will go back to 256 at least, but it didn't. Uh, there is a chance. There is a chance. Still, there is a chance for today. And I really hope it would go to 256 or 257.50 or at least 257 maybe. Because why I think like that, here I see it's actually trying to form a temporary support at this point of 252. It came down to 251.64-ish level, 251.64, right below 252. So here it's actually trying its best to form a support. And I think it will go as a straight line from here for a while, or maybe it will try to cross this 255 level. I really hope it reaches to 256 or 257. In that case, maybe I will do some shorting again, because no matter what, I know everyone is saying there will be Tesla delivery report next Tuesday, and probably 95% chance is it will be a good report. Good, it will meet the optimism, I guess. 500,000 delivery. That's okay, but still, it's not easy to cross these huge red candle. I don't think so. It's not going to be so easy. So there will be, even if it touches the 260 or 259, there will be another pullback. And after that, we don't know what's going to happen. We actually never know, right? So that's what I think. And let's see. Let me tell you one thing. Why I was quite confident about a imminent pullback, because you see this huge red candle, and after that it took some time to pass this huge kind of red. And another thing is there was a clear resistance at this point of around 263 to 265-ish level. Okay, so no matter what, maybe it could even go higher, right, to 275 or 270. But in that case as well, a pullback was like coming. It was for sure coming, a pullback. It's impossible that people not gonna take the profit and get out. When people take the profit and get out, obviously market comes down. So it's quite natural. Now for the beginner, there are few beginners, they might be scared. Oh my God, what's happening? One after another, two red candle, market is going down. But I think even if it goes down to 242 or two, even 240, at around this level of 241 or 239, there should be another support. It might, there is a clear chance it will uh, touch again at least 253. Okay. That's what my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a beginner too, but this is how I have learned from my experience. And I think there will be, even if it goes down, it will try, it will at least try to touch again 253 or 254-ish level. So even if it's goes to 240, maybe I will buy some long position. I was actually planning for a short position because I thought it will again touch 256 or 257 today, but it didn't happen. That was not the case. Maybe everyone is going to a holiday or something. They're just selling their shares and going for holiday on Spain or Hawaii. So I don't know. But the question is, if it reaches this level, 241 to 242, definitely I'm going to buy some shares. And after that, even if it goes down from there, where it will go, maybe 231 or 228, again, I will buy some more. And after that, it will definitely retest this 249 or 251, definitely. So don't get scared. So right now, it's quite apparent that it's trying to form a support at this level of 252 as expected. I'm not saying it's not going to go down maybe on Tuesday or today after 1 hour or after half an hour. It might lose the support also, but I think even if it lose the support, it might come to 251 or even 250, 250.74 or something. Then it should push up. It should again push up, or uh, I expect a consolidation kind of thing at this level of 250. Then after that, it might go. It might also go down to 250, 249, or maybe 246. You never know. Because the thing is, this is the last trading day, and it's everyone is trying to sell now, I guess, because of this fear and because so many people, they did not really expect a crash yesterday. Yesterday there was a crash, and I shouldn't laugh, but I made some money, because I already shorted at that position. So I was kind of happy, but it was unexpected for a lot of people. And see, it's again going down. It's actually going down. 251.27, it's breaking the support, but still, uh, maybe it will try to form a support here, 250, or if it lose the support of 250, it will go to 256, sorry, 247, maybe 246. It's not impossible. It's not impossible at all. It's trying to form another support at 248. And I believe this time it will be successful. 247.73 it came down. I think there might be another pullback to 247 again, 247.62, or right below 248, and then after that it should go above. Should go for at least 249.73. Let's see. So 11:35, I said, what did I say? That it should go to 249.74 or something. It actually came up to 249.74. It was the highest point. As you can see, let me show you. 249.74 is the highest point. On the top, you can see highest. Okay, doesn't matter. But the point is, it actually trying to form a support, and clearly it did. I don't know if the market is closing early today. I'm not sure about that, but it should retest this support, obviously, to 47. But on Tuesday, I don't think market will turn around all of a sudden. Even on Tuesday, because after this long weekend, the market will open on Tuesday, and after that, maybe another little slight pullback to 240, 245 or 243. I wouldn't be so surprised. After that, I expect it to go up to 250, 250 at least around Wednesday or Thursday next week, and maybe even higher, maybe even higher. So if it lose this support of 248, it might go to 244 or 245. There is a chance it's losing this support at 248. So its next stop would be 246 or 245. So I think at around 10:30, I said it will go up to, sorry, not 10:30, 11:30, I think I said it should go up to 249.74. And just 10 minutes earlier, at around 1 o'clock, sorry, 12:50, I said it should reverse and it should form a support here. It actually did. It clearly formed a support here at this point. And now it's retesting again the 249.74, and I believe it will cross. Maybe not this time, but in next 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it should cross. It's actually 249.70 now. Pretty optimistic it will cross this 249, and end of the day it might go to 251. It might close around this level, 250 to 51 ish level, I hope, because I see a clear support here. I become so elated when I see that my prediction is right. I was saying at around 1 o'clock, 1:10, I guess, that market should go up and should cross 249.71. It actually did. It actually did, and it's quite good actually. It is trying to cross the VWAP line as well right now. So I already bought few shares at 249 level, not 249, I think 247.85 or something. I bought few shares, and it's good. Market is going up. I said earlier that around 1:30 it will go up. It's actually started to go up at around 1:20 p.m. Yeah, it seems like today market will close around 251 or 250, between 250 and 252 level. Market should close.